Alright, y'all, got the Traxxas XRT 8S. We were running WFO Beltdrive on this thing. Of course, we got the ONYX lipos. We got some new wheels. We'll talk more about it later on. We're running 8S with Castle ESC and TP motor. Got the ONYX lipos. We'll talk more later on. Here's track. Start. Stop. Read. Cool. The track. Speed registering. Start. I might need to wipe off this camera lens a little bit, so give me a second. Alright, camera lens is white though. Let's see if it looks better on the screen. That's much better. Alright, so we're already started. See, this is, I can hit stop, so let's go ahead and see what we can get. Like I said, we're running Beltdrive today. She's very quiet. I haven't ran this car in so long. I put the Beltdrive on a couple months ago and just never really took it out. Just no time anymore, man. Gotta take care of the family. Let's go. All right, here she is. Just pulling up, nice and quiet. Traxxas XRT 8S, running WFO Beltdrive. See what we got. See, the speed is registering still. Stop, read. 107 miles an hour. You see that? 107 miles an hour. We're just warming up. Let's see what we got under here. Got the ONYX 4S 8Ks. These are the lipos that James McCoy first did 200 miles an hour with. Got them up in here, some serious lipos, man. Mike, he owns ONYX, man. Good guy, man. Get up with him, man. If you need anything, just hit me up. Good lipos. Castle XLX2 ESC, TP motor, WFO Beltdrive, 1-in-1 ratio. Got the WFO wide kit with the titanium axles. These wheels are holding up. I think we can push it a lot harder. But this is the first test. All right, so 107, and it's looking good. These wheels are nice. I can't wait to push these a little harder. All right, so yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. It's been a while since I brought this out. This is it. So here we go. So big shout out WFO RC Racing. The wide kit is amazing. Beltdrive's amazing. Big shout out to ONYX. These lipos is retarded. Big shout out to Mad Max. Got the lug nuts on that thing. See, you got the lug nut adapters on that thing, man. Big shout out to Castle. I mean, just whoever, I don't know whoever else. Whoever's cool with me, man, shout out to y'all, man. Some people are just angry at life. Shout out to y'all either way. Just shout out to everyone, man. Just a quick little run. 1-in-1 Beltdrive. Also running the Traxxas overdrive gears in here. So we're doing all right. We'll see y'all next time. Y'all take it easy. Peace.